Welcome back, YouTubers. I have a video here for y'all. As most of y'all know, Nintendo Switch updated their firmware up to 18.0.0, and it's causing a lot of crashes for all these Switches that have been modded or something like that. To give you an example, if you're starting from scratch like me, you've probably already updated your Switch firmware to 18.0.0, and when you launch when you launch your Hecate, go in here and do your immunad, you get a crash or something similar. Well, I am here to show you how to make this work with the new updated atmosphere, along with its sig patches and everything else you might need. When I did this, I did it to this one already. Now this is, again, only if you're starting from scratch. I gotta reboot it. Oh, well, I'm not gonna reboot it, but just so y'all can see, this is running 18.0.0 with Hecate 1.7. And just to show y'all, I'm gonna reboot to Hecate. So this is Hecate 6.1.1. This is the latest version. The one past was 607. This one's running 611. This is the latest Hecate, and this is the latest atmosphere. And of course, I go to my immunad, and I get it to function. When I got this one working, I did have some problems with tinfoil. If you're having issues with tinfoil, I can show you how to fix that too. But we'll start off with just this portion of it getting booted up to your custom firmware. So, and I will use this one as an example. Now this one has a little issue. The entire card reader for the game and it sometimes doesn't connect. It has a bad ground, so it'll warn me. It'll tell me that. But that's not going to be an issue for y'all. But since I haven't really fixed this one yet, but I can still show you how to make it happen with this one. But anyway, let's move forward with the with trying to get this figured out. Again, this is only if you're starting from scratch. This is not for if you already have an existing custom firmware. But anyway, let's get to it. Let's go. Okay, so now that we're here, take your micro SD card. If you're using your USB to your computer from your Switch, it's fine. I always take my micro SD card out. But anyway, this one already did have an immunad, which I always back up my immunads in case something like this ever does happen. I have never tried to dump it back in there, but we're going to start from scratch. So all this stuff that I have here, I'm just going to go ahead and just delete. Keep in mind, I already have these files already saved onto my computer, so I'm okay to do this. You could try doing this, restoring your, I don't think it'll work, but versus doing, well, yeah. But I want to say this video is for if you're gonna start from scratch. Well, I guess I'll just format it. Let me format this real quick. Okay, now that I have that taken care of, I got to format it. It's right here. Switch. It's empty. So I'm gonna switch over from the OLED because I am having a problem with the card reader. It's the whole card reader itself. I gotta replace it. I have one on the way. I would think I was going to use this one in this video, but since it's acting up, I won't be able to use it. So I'm going to use this other modded switch that I did. So we'll use this one instead. Same concept. It'll be fine. So what you want to do is you want to get your zip files from Atmosphere. So go, oh, gotta close this up. Okay. So go to Atmosphere, get the latest. This is a pre-release. I already have it open, but you know, when you get here, you're gonna be like me, like, you know, where is it? Where can I get it? But all you gotta do is, oh, did I just lose it? Atmosphere right here. Go to Assets. Where's the asset? Here it is. Assets. Click on that. Download this. Download that. I'm not sure what this is, but I don't think I needed that. Anyway, and go to Hakate. Get the latest from Hakate. So when you get your zip files, you're gonna have the pre-release, the fuse bin, your Hakate, latest Hakate 6.1.1, and your SIG patches. Now, if you've done this in the past, you pretty much know what needs to be added. So I've already unzipped these files in this unzip file for 18.0.0. So it should look like this. Grab them, drag them. Okay, another extra thing that I'm going to do here. God, they're not in order. Why aren't they ever in order? Okay, so I know Bootloader. I don't have the Hakate. I keep forgetting what it's called. So I'm going to go grab it because I have it saved. Y'all should already have this saved. If not, you can grab it from, I guess, any website that would have it. I think Hakate would have it. I don't remember where I got it, but I always have my stuff saved. So anyway, bootloader. This is the file you need, Hakate IPL. You'll need that. This is what's going to allow you to boot into the Immunad, which is the Immunad on the microSD card. Stock, if you want to do stock, or Immunad on the actual device itself, which I don't recommend that because you get banned that way. I like to do stock for my everyday things, or my Immunad that's going to be on my microSD card. You're going to need this. Payloads. You're going to need your payloads. So go get your payloads. If I find the websites where you get your payloads, I'll put them in the link. I'm sure they're there somewhere. I just have to look for them for y'all, and I'll put them there. But anyway, I'll just grab them from an existing one that I have. Here's my payloads. Dump that right in. And I think that's all I need for right now. That looks about right. If you've done this, you should be able to get it boot up. So go ahead and inject it safely, of course. All right. Let's go over to the switch. All right, so put your microSD card in. Set up your date, of course. I'm just gonna pick that. To continue, I'm gonna build my Immunad. It's always best to do this. This will create pretty much your NAD on the microSD card. So I'm gonna let this do its thing, and I'll be right back. Okay, now that I have that created. We're going to close that out. It's enabled, so that means my system NAD is on my micro SD card versus using the one that's existing on the actual game itself or console. So if I go launch, here's my system NAD, my custom system NAD. This is where I want to do all my hidden stuff. And if I want to do online gaming and everything, we'll do it over here. But anyways, let's launch this. Well, the first time I did this, it crashed. It didn't crash, which is good. Oh, you know what? I think it went just to the Nintendo logo and then it just stopped. Let's see. I don't remember what happened, but some of y'all might not have any issues. I may not have any issues right now. But there we go. This is running on the new software using Atmosphere. System. Oh man. Oh yeah, there it is. That's right. That's right. 18.0. Running Atmosphere, the latest Atmosphere 1.7. Okay. That's how you do it. I'm gonna make another video for tinfoil. So if y'all want to stay tuned for that, go ahead and give me a like and subscribe. If you have any issues getting the files or anything like that, send me a message. I'll be able to help y'all out. I do take donations though, so I may ask you for something. But I hope y'all like this video. You can find everything. All the only thing that I know I had a hard time looking for were the payloads. I already have them on my computer. I always like to save all my files. So here's all my files. Here's all my payloads. I know the Hekate doesn't come with payloads. And of course I have all my apps that go on the 90 DNS is a really good one. This helps block the servers, and this gets it set up. So before you do any type of modding to your switches, make sure you get that that test server done first. That way you won't ban your switch. I'll show you how to do that in the next video, but this is how you update it, or from scratch. This is what you do to help your switch run custom firmware, the new off of the new custom firmware 18.0.0. Just pretty much from scratch, get the latest Atmosphere, Hekate, and you should be good to go. Anyway, like and subscribe. I hope y'all like this video. I'm gonna make another one for tinfoil and for the 90 DNS test server. So stay tuned for those, and hope to see you then. Thanks.